Unlocking the secrets of printer maintenance. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that touches on both technology and everyday life: printer maintenance. Whether you're at home, school, or in the office, knowing how to keep your printer in tip-top shape is essential. So, let's unravel the mystery of printer maintenance together and ensure your printer stays happy and healthy for years to come. Printer maintenance refers to the routine checks and actions taken to keep a printer operating smoothly and efficiently. This can include cleaning, replacing consumables like ink or toner, and updating software. Think of it as taking your car for a service to ensure it runs well. The same principle applies to printers. Regular maintenance is crucial for several reasons. Extends the life of your printer. Just like any machine, printers last longer when well cared for. Ensures high-quality prints. Dust, debris, or low ink levels can result in poor print quality. Prevents jams and other issues. Regular checks can help avoid common printer problems, saving you time and frustration. 1. Cleaning. Gently clean the outside of your printer and use the printer's internal cleaning function to clean the print heads. 2. Checking for updates. Ensure your printer's firmware and drivers are up to date for optimal performance. 3. Replacing consumables. Monitor ink or toner levels and replace them as needed. Also, don't forget about other replaceable parts like the drum or fuser in some laser printers. 4. Paper management. Use the right type of paper and store it properly to prevent jams and ensure the best print quality. Scheduled maintenance. Set reminders for regular maintenance checks, especially if you use your printer frequently. Professional servicing. For high-end or office printers, consider professional servicing once a year to tackle any deep-seated issues. Environment. Keep your printer in a clean, dry, and stable environment to prevent dust buildup and moisture damage. Thank you for watching our video on printer maintenance. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they will assist you in keeping your printer running efficiently for a long time. Remember, a little care goes a long way in preventing major issues down the line. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides. Happy printing, and see you in the next video.